Now, young people tend to get a bit of a bad rap when it comes to driving, even though some of us don't get much better as we get older. But with a quarter of 18 to 24-year-olds crashing within the first 2 years of passing their test, well, maybe that reputation's justified. So what can be done? Mo's hit the road to find out.
Hey, what do you think of the new wheels? A red-hot paint job, top-of-the-range rims, and a banging spoiler. On our budget, you must be joking.
I know I may look a little bit ridiculous, but I wonder what a child would look like driving a grown-up's car.
We all know you have to be at least 17 years old to drive a car legally on British roads. And navigating your way through busy traffic isn't child's play. Here at last. That took ages, and my backside is killing me. I'm here on this private land in Cardiff.
Because I've been told that they teach kids how to drive. Yes, you heard me right. They teach kids how to drive.
I rode go-karts when I was a kid, but this is next level. They teach children to drive from the age of 10, probably because any younger and their feet wouldn't touch the pedals. 16-year-old Lily started driving lessons when she was just 14.
It was more just excited to be able to do what Mum and Dad does daily. And it was a great experience at the time.
But now, Lily's sights are set on getting her license.
I'm here to practice for my actual driving test and theory that I have coming up in January. I feel like I am ready for when I am 17, so I won't need too many lessons.
Right, my go. Chris Lewis is one of the instructors, and he's taking me out for a spin.
When you're ready, drive on.
When I'm ready. You're making me nervous, you are.
You'll be fine. I'm not watching you, but we can't pull off a neutral.
Yeah, that's right. All right,
So
let's
get it in the first.
It's been a while, see. It's been a while. I had to see it to believe it. 10-year-old kids driving?
Yeah, it's bonkers, isn't it? It's mad, I know. But we get them to do all sorts, and so honestly, you get some kids that drive better than you, me, and they really take it in. And what you've got to think, kids are quite young, they're like sponges, isn't they? So they absorb all this knowledge, and then before you know it, they're brilliant to teach.
How well am I doing then, Chris?
I've noticed a couple of things, Mo. You keep taking your two hands off the wheel, for one. So you don't think you've done one mirror check yet, Mo? So...
Oh, I'm always on my mirrors, me.
But overall, Mo, yeah, I think your driving's quite good. You're pretty good with that clutch.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
This is so much fun, but there's a serious side too. These types of courses may help drivers cut their insurance premiums when they qualify, and can educate them on road safety. Detective Constable Alan Estafium is a serious collision investigator for South Wales Police.
We know that young drivers, in particular newly qualified drivers, 17 and 24, are disproportionately more likely to be a casualty in a road collision. And this is for a number of factors. I think one of the main ones is lack of experience, lack of respect for speed, and also a tendency to take unnecessary risks.
You've been on the front line and you've seen the worst of the worst.
It can be traumatic to see the suffering that the serious collisions cause on not just the families and the individual involved, but the local community and wider public. And I think any scheme to educate young people on road safety can only go some way to preparing them for the future in relation to the time when they get out on the roads for real.
Things are about to get interesting. Don't be fooled by his youthful appearance. He may only be young, but I'm told he's one of their most formidable drivers.
What's your name?
Jensen.
How old are you?
12.
Why do you drive?
Because I love it.
Are you any good?
Yeah.
Fancy a challenge?
Yeah.
There are 3 challenges. 1, navigate the slalom course. 2, parallel park. And 3, emergency stop. Jensen, you're up first. Watch those cones, Jensen.
Come on, we can do this. Keep that speed down. Mo's watching you now, okay? The pressure is on.
Gotta do it for the over 30s.
Go on, you got it. Oh, look at this. Perfect. That's challenge number 1 done.
Next, the parallel park.
That's it. Good.
Careful.
That's
We
it.
want to knock over a cone or anything.
And give him a big thumbs up through the window. We got it, say. We're confident.
And finally, the emergency stop.
Bit more gas, bit more. And stop. Oh, there we go.
My turn, and I'm feeling pretty confident about this. First challenge, the slalom.
Oh, that's the first cone hit. We haven't even started yet, Mo.
fault, isn't it? Look, see him there?
Cool. We'll forget that cone then.
That didn't
The
happen.
challenge starts from now.
From now.
That's it.
All right, right.
Oh.
No, it's fine, We got
Oh.
We got
Oh, yeah, we did go
Hey.
through. That was like a millimetre.
There we go, that's the boy. That's the boy.
Oh.
Come on!
Now for the parallel park, easy.
That's him. The pressure's on. He's grinning. Good position so far.
Thank you very much, thank you very, very
The
much.
control is quite good. That'll do it. Oh! And you... Why do you go back a little bit more for?
Now the emergency stop challenge.
Now, as soon as a car gets to the front of those, you're going to stop. Don't put that handbrake on foot. That's him. Ooh. Are we stalled?
Was that stall?
That's a stall.
That wasn't. That was an emergency park. And a good one at that.
And who will receive the trophy? The rightful winner or the other guy? That didn't go according to plan. Maybe I should just stick with this vehicle instead from now on.
Right, that's the last time I go in a car with Mo. And that's all we've got time for. Next week on X-Ray, makeup or fake up? We're investigating the growing problem of counterfeit cosmetics.
I tested the products on myself. Straight away, I started feeling a itching, hot sensation.
You can hear more from me about next week's programme by tuning into Jason Mohammed's Phone-In on BBC Radio Wales every Monday morning from 10. And don't forget, if you've been ripped off and want us to investigate, just give us a call or drop us an email. Bye-bye.